3 Best Freelancing Platforms. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about freelancing platforms that can help you kickstart your freelance career or take it to the next level. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, developer, or any other creative professional, these platforms provide a great opportunity to connect with clients and showcase your skills. So, without further ado, let's dive into the 3 best freelancing platforms. Number 1 on our list is Upwork. Upwork is one of the largest and most popular freelancing platforms out there. It offers a wide range of job categories, including writing, design, programming, marketing, and more. Upwork allows you to create a professional profile, showcase your portfolio, and bid on projects that match your skills. Upwork provides freelancers with a great platform to find work and build relationships with clients. Next up, we have Fiverr. Upwork provides freelancers with a great platform to find work and build relationships with clients. On this platform, freelancers create gigs, which are specific services they offer at different price points. Clients can browse through these gigs and hire freelancers based on their requirements. Fiverr is particularly popular among creative professionals, such as graphic designers, animators, voiceover artists, and more. It's a great platform to showcase your talent and attract clients who are looking for specialized services. Last but not least, we have freelancer.com. As the name suggests, freelancer.com is a dedicated platform for freelancers from various industries. It provides a wide array of job categories and allows you to create a detailed profile to complete with your skills, portfolio, and work history. What sets freelancer.com apart is its competitive nature. Freelancers can participate in contests and bid on projects to showcase their expertise and win clients. It's a platform that encourages freelancers to push their boundaries and excel in their respective fields. So there you have it, the 3 best freelancing platforms: Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com. Each platform offers its unique set of features and benefits, catering to different freelancing needs. Whether you're just starting or have been freelancing for a while, these platforms can provide you with a steady stream of clients, exciting opportunities to grow your freelance career. That wraps up today's video. We hope you found this information helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Also, let us know in the comments which freelancing platform you prefer, or if there are any other platforms you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy freelancing! Thanks for watching.